So this masterclass is going to be about your sperm economy. All right. In life, we are trying to optimize many things, right? If you're giving Facebook ads, you want to optimize the ads, or if you want to make more money, you need to manage your money, your finance. If you want to be more healthy, lift up more weights in the gym, you need to take care of your diet, your food needs to be optimized, your sleep, everything we optimize, right? As a man, one of the most important things you need to optimize is your sperm economy. All right, you need to regulate your ejaculation frequency in some way. All right, the tantric masters, the Taoist masters, especially of China, ancient China, they were very much aware of these, and they give us some certain formulas depending on your age, on the seasons, or some other factors. So it's very, very important. And I'm not talking about nofap here, right? Like, we are doing masturbation in Tantra, but in a very, very certain way. And that will help you to regulate your life force, your sperm. You're not losing life force in a tantric masturbation, which I also call the solo practice. And this solo practice, once you master it, once you regulate your frequency ejaculation in a very efficient way, now you will have much more power in the gym, you will have much more concentration for your work, more creativity, more productivity, whatever you want. And you will have amazing charisma and attractiveness for women as well, because you're going to have more sperm energy within your system. All right. So when you learn this kind of masturbation, it's also going to help you very, very much on the sex life, because in the end of the day, we are having a partner when we're having sex, right? So when you master how to do it with yourself, which is easier compared to doing it with a partner, then you can also have it with your partner. And this means automatically that you're going to last longer in bed, brother. It's going to help you boost your sexual life, okay? So it's all of them are coming together in one bunch. And I'm going to talk about these things in the masterclass. So, and if you are serious, if you're proving that you're an action taker. And if you're more serious, I'm sure you're going to enjoy my video course, which is 5 hours long, and I'm teaching you all the basics of tantric sexuality, and you're going to take 50% off of this video course if you come to this masterclass, if you show up, okay? Just show up, and that will be enough for you to get the discount. So, and you might wonder, who am I? Like, why you should listen to me and why I should be your teacher in Tantra. My name is Fatih. I'm from Turkey. And I started my sex life in a very disastrous way. I was ejaculating in 1 minute, maximum 5 minutes. So I'm coming from very, very humble beginnings, and Tantra completely transformed my life, okay? So my sex life is much better, my energy levels are much better, I'm much more healthy compared to before I learned Tantra. So I'm gonna share with you all my secrets. Of course, everything cannot be shared in just masterclass, but I will do my best. And I'm also giving you this 50% discount for my video course. So I've been working on this field for more than 10 years. I'm working with men in different ways as well, not just with tantric sexuality. I've been leading men's circles, teaching about masculinity and transformation in our lives as a man. So, and also the founder of Aphrodite, Doc Farhan, I met him in Kiev more than 1 year ago. And then he was very interested in me, and I started coaching him into Tantra. So he's been my client for some time, and he will be also in the masterclass. And if you have questions to him about my coaching or Tantra, you can just ask him and he will answer all your questions as well. So see you in this masterclass, brother.